If you're a member of the POG and not yet volunteering in any ministry, we need you. Please stop at the Plugged In table on your way out and put your hands, gifts, talents, and time to work and get plugged in today. Pay your tithes and offering online at thepursuitofgod.org. Upcoming events at the POG. The POG is celebrating its 11th year anniversary with its Servolution Celebration Weekend starting Friday, April 19th through Sunday, April 21st. The celebration will kick off Friday at 7 p.m. with a free concert featuring Cedric Shannon Reeves, Amber Bullock, and Perfection. Saturday, April 20th, the pastors are honoring the plugged-in leaders, workers, and servers of the POG with a plugged-in awards banquet. The celebration will end on Sunday with 3 special services. 8:30 a.m. service featuring Pastor Anthony King of Faith International Ministry Center Church. 11 o'clock a.m. service featuring Pastor Arthur Parsons of the Pursuit of God Church. And the 6 o'clock p.m. service featuring Bishop Edward Stevens Jr. of Golden Gate Cathedral. Congratulations to co-pastor Sheila Floyd on her selection by the new Tri-State Defender as the 2013 Top 50 Women of Excellence. The Women of Excellence Champagne Brunch and Award Celebration is set for Saturday, April 27, 2013 at 10 a.m. at the Memphis Botanic Gardens, 750 Cherry Road. Ticket and table reservations are first come, first serve. Please call Connie at 353-5772 for more information. You are invited to the School of Marriage Enhancement Saturday, April 27th at 5 p.m. Calling all men and boys to attend the Free Men and Boys Summit Friday, May 3rd at 7 p.m. with Dr. Jawanza Kunjufu with special musical guest Fro. Encourage every male you know to attend this life-informing, life-changing event. Please note, Friday Night Fire is canceled for the month of May and will resume in June. On Saturday, May 4th at 10 a.m. is Now Fit. Come on out and get your workout on with our own fitness trainer, Brennan Hill. Please visit thepursuitofgod.org for updated information and like and follow the POG on Facebook. We are using social media in a big way, so please visit so you can stay tuned to what's going on at the POG. And on behalf of our pastors and the entire Pursuit of God family, we say thank you. We are building up a people of purpose, passion, power, praise, and prosperity for the kingdom's advancement.